Hey guys, and today we're playing the meat grinder, and I'm with Dorito again, and we have a friend
Good
here
evening.
that wanted to play with us. FanOfFandoms.
Well, actually, she's like one of the OG peeps of the peep squad, like me.
Yes.
Yeah. Make sure to check out Friend's channel, VRMan. He's the one that made a peep squad thing. But yeah.
Yes.
Woo! Is this how Doritos are made?
I don't think so. Oh my gosh!
Flying stuff. Oh, baby!
Table! I saw a table!
Get hit by them. Oh my god!
Don't. Oh god!
Aiden! I'll be back! So, how was the grinder?
Bad. It's bad.
No, oh my god. No! That got destroyed! Oh god!
Go,
That's the guy
FanOfFandoms,
hit by a
go!
tire!
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my
Tire hurts you.
Yes. Tire hurts you.
I am stronger than the
Fun
force.
fact. I don't know, you. Oh my god. Table! Oh no, Dorito.
Table! It's broken!
She ate it!
Oh god!
She ate it?
No, please! Not again!
No! Oh my gosh. I got crunched. I don't know by what though. I didn't fall in. Are you good?
Hi, fandom.
Yes.
Okay, come on. Oh gosh!
That's
Okay,
a
you know,
thing.
I'm just gonna stay into this. Oh
my god! No! Biggs! No! Oh! I'm gonna stand up for this now. I can stand. Sorry.
Hi.
Did you guys see me get flung to the left?
Oh gosh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, table.
oh, FanOfFandoms!
Oh no! On table! It broke me!
Oh,
She ate it! No! What do you mean she ate it? Oh no! Our table! You ate it! No, I didn't! I only eat chairs! I thought I already told you that! No, apparently you didn't. Last thing I saw was a giant container going at my face at 1,000,000 miles per hour. A freaking tire flew me and then I died. Or correction, flung me. Tire hit me. Tire hit me in fandom.
Us. Please
Ow.
don't hit me.
Every time I'm about to get him, I'm gonna do like a perfectly cut scream because funny.
I'm really
Yes,
doing it!
cause funny.
Not for long. Thanks for teaching me. You're welcome.
I regret laughing at that
You're
time.
like, I'm gonna make it, and I'm like, oh. I'm really making it. I'm doing it. I'm really doing it. Not for long. Not for long.
Oh!
Guys. You got the boost. You
I
actually got
flew.
boost and he flew.
I flew.
You flew more like you flied.
Oh god.
I got hit by a chair. That's not very nice. What the heck?
What the hell? You got full. You got a boost, bro.
I'm not a robot. I'm a
I'm
bird.
to the face. I'm not a robot. I'm a bird.
Caca, caca. What I just said was
Ugly
stupid.
caca.
Ugly caca.
Oh my god, a tire. Freaking container box. Container box. Oh my god, table. Oh my god. I saw a vending machine fly at me at 1,000,000 miles per hour.
Really do!
Not for long. I told you. You're too slow. Thanks for jinxing me again. You're welcome. Oh no.
Will you please?
No. Oh no. Oh no. No, not the table!
Okay, be careful, people.
What could possibly
It's
go
getting
wrong?
harder than possible.
What could possibly go die? Oh, good!
I got
get
hit by a
by a
soda machine.
can. That's a vending machine, Bex. You really need to know your robots, considering you are one.
It didn't hit me. I am a lucky Never mind.
It didn't hit me. I'm a lucky dust. Never mind.
I'm doing it.
Oh my god! I got fucking concrete to the face. That's what I got. I said, I'm doing it. Oh my god! What the hell?
I dodged it. I dodged it. I just saw. I'm witnessing things teleport.
That's a lot of containers.
Oh my
I just got hit. Fandom.
Oh, a table and a container.
Oh!
You've been.
You
oh
got
my
this,
God.
Fandoms. You're gonna be the first. And I got hit by a vending machine again. Wow.
Michael.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Not for
You got hit by a vending machine.
You are jinxing me this time. I believe.
Oh!
I believe.
The grinder!
I believe. I believe.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Dude, this game's a
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm up there.
Please don't get hit or anything. Please.
No,
I got.
Michael, don't leave you!
Wait, what? Oh,
Yo, Agent, you know what I'm thinking? This game's a simp. I mean, it's only letting Fandom win.
don't think of that. It's because she's probably good at dodging. Oh gosh.
Vending machine!
You're really doing it. Aiden freaking died.
What? I can barely hear you, mate. My phone go off? Woo! Holy dog, tootin' but. Congratulations,
And I
you
got hit by a
died.
vending machine again. What is
Oh
with
my
me
god,
and a
you
vending
vending
machine?
machines must not
Oh,
like you.
I live.
How'd you get back up
I
there?
live. Some sort of
You
weird
li-
fire container just hit me, and a tire just hit
It's a
me,
barrel.
and the containers, and I got hit by a block. Wow.
Oh! No!
Dorito, no. He turned into a crunchy Dorito.
He lost the fellow Dorito.
I turned into a Dorito dust, bro.
I can do it. No, I can't do it. I can't
No,
do
can't.
it. Please.
Welcome back.
Hi. There's a big container coming in this way.
Container coming this way, but like into your face. Yo, this guy hit the head by a tire.
Again, I got hit by a tire in my head again. Oh gosh! Oh no!
No, Bex!
I'm alive! Yay!
Let's go.
Oh gosh! Please.
Oh, no, yo.
No, I'm just gonna try. Oh, please don't! I got hit
I
by a
just barely
tire.
died. I
Once
got
again,
bounced up
I got
onto
hit.
this. I got bounced up onto this little side of the ramp, and then I slipped off.
I got hit by a tire in my head once again.
I'm pretty sure I got freaking
What am I gonna do?
annihilated by
Get
a
hit
tire.
by another
Like,
vending
wait for my
machine.
legs, they tell
It's
you.
not gonna happen. I'm gonna get hit by oh look, a table.
Please. Yeah. Yo, fam, it's gonna be like a skeleton by the time we get up there.
Oh god, containers.
Please. Haha.
Got hit in the head by a table.
Another vending machine? Come on.
Another one.
What's with me in a vending machine? Like, seriously.
I don't know. Why do vending machines not like you? Did you like punch one earlier today?
I think I did. I think I did.
Gee, was it like giving you your soda or something to like scam you?
Yeah, it scammed me.
Dude, that vending machine must have called its parents. Oh, the whole family bloodline, dude. Seriously, that's a lot of vending machines trying to kill you, dude.
Okay.
No! Now, how did we even get here?
I don't know.
Like, what was the last thing you remember before we got here?
I don't know. I'm doing it! I'm not doing it!
Oh god.
I don't think we're gonna make it up there. Because, you know...
The last thing I remember was yelling at some stupid kid in VR, and then I got knocked out and now I'm here. Pretty weird.
Yes, I remember that very well.
Yeah, that was funny. Yo, you guys should have heard the sonic shriek, dude. I was like...
We heard that loud and clear, buddy. And now, the Dorito is approaching.
What? I got 360 no-scopes, I stupid... Oh god, container.
Oh gosh.
No! Wait, what? No! What? How did you... Did you...
Okay, I am going to be Sunky. So I can be small. Look at me. I'm Sunky.
Look like you can morph. I
What?
got into Rouse. Actually, no. I can morph into a shorter, something short. Oh, sweet baby.
Okay, I'm gonna see if this works or not.
You know what? I'm gonna turn into the shortest avatar I have.
Please,
Oh, yeah,
let
that
me up
works.
here. It's working. It's working. Guys, it's working.
What?
It's working. I almost got hit by a...
You're doing it! You're doing it!
Help me. I don't want to get hit by a... This is like the best glitch ever in this game. Please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Hi. Help me.
Hi!
Alright, I am making it. Oh no!
Fandoms! Where did you go? She no-clipped.
What? You really thought I was gonna let you out? For you to rat me out? Nah,
Like, not anymore?
Oh great, she's all the way down there.
You're just one toss away.
Where did my camera go? Oh, here it is. Let's see what I can do. Green screen? I'm not using that. Get over it here.
Oh my god!
Have the use the smallest avatar that you have and go to the side.
Oh my god! I made it up here.
Well, let me in, please.
I can do it again, but I fell through the map. I'm doing
Did you
it.
no clip to the back
I'm
rooms?
doing it.
Did you no clip to the back rooms?
I went to the back rooms basically. Not anymore.
Is there nothing through? Okay, I can't see it.
Not anymore. I need to. No! Why was Stable tasty? I didn't even want one today. I'll do it.
What the heck?
controller drift. So like, it's kind of like I'm in the battle. Woohoo!
Are you guys okay down there? Question mark.
Commercial dies.
I'm going to the back room. Okay, I'd rather not.
Commercial.
Are you guys okay down there? Like seriously?
No, trying to kill me.
I even like punched one. Like Agent punched a freaking vending machine.
Are you kidding me?
Agent! Did you respond or did you
No,
clip
no, I got
into the
hit. I got hit.
How?
I don't know. I was just coming down to you. Oh my!
Mother! Whoa!
Not anymore! Give it a couple seconds.
I'll give it a couple seconds, alright?
What the heck? Did a tire just hit me in the head again?
I don't know, probably. What's with you and tires?
I'm doing it.
Not anymore! I have the magic words.
Once again, she fell down once again.
Just because I said not anymore. One time she didn't even say
Did a
I'm
table
doing
just
it. I
hit
just
you?
went not anymore. And she just died.
There we go. Took a picture of my face.
That should be a Discord profile picture. When
wish I could, but it
if
won't
you
let
finally
me.
sign into it.
Okay.
Yeah, like what? And so the Dorito became a Velociraptor. I just say not anymore, and a random tire just hits you in the head. Not anymore.
Oh. What
Now
the
wait.
heck?
Wait, Peter.
Okay.
Oh, we're doing it. Oh,
Yeah,
we're doing
okay.
it again.
2 more times, people.
Container.
2 more times. Up.
Oh. Ah. Not anymore. Do-do-do.
What just happened to my legs?
What the? I went to look at the agent and I died.
Going. I expected the container to hit me. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it.
Hey, Agent.
Go!
Oh, I was about to say not anymore.
Not anymore. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
I was about to kill it, but she literally spammed with that thing.
That's
Oh.
to say 3 times worth of work.
I'm
Not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore.
It worked! I'm gonna kill you and then kill you again! You son of a burrito!
Don't do it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. No. No.
You're jinxing me. You're jinxing me.
Fuck it!
I know it. Not anymore.
No!
Like,
You did it
not
to me.
anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore.
A tire just hit me again. No. Not anymore.
Underrated!
Wait, guys, help me.
What?
I hate this.
I can't do it. Don't question what I was about to do. Anyways.
It worked. It took some
I
time.
hurt my wings for doing that. Haha! You fool! You get jinxed too!
Not anymore.
Hi.
You're short.
Yes. And you're a floating Dorito that's also short.
Oh, window, please.
Oh my god!
Okay, now I'm gonna do this once again.
Not anymore.
I lived.
Are you sure?
How did I?
Listen here, you
How did I
short
get
Dorito.
hit again?
You're shorter than me.
Yeah, but you're floating in the
Among
air,
Us.
you goob.
So, flooding is cool and you know it. And my headset power is very low.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah,
but
okay.
also you're floating in the air, and that doesn't make you taller. And
No,
if you're
I'm
standing on
literally
the
gonna
ground,
die
you'd be
soon.
shorter than I am. Ah.
What the? Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not at the table. Agent.
Oh no.
Triple kill.
I'm gonna go this way.
You mean the boys on a treadmill? Oh!
Okay.
Yo, should we just end the video?
Yeah, soon.
Hold up. Not anymore.
Oh my god. I'm about to point a gun at this man.
Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. We are.
Gonna stop now.
Well, all right.
yeah.
Thank you for
Bye
watching.
guys. Like and subscribe and not anymore.
Come here, lawnmower.
Okay. Goodbye.